Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 17th, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on my petunia seedlings here. They did start blooming. This is one of the double ones, and we have some more back here. And they're just absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to show them to you here. And we do still feed these once a week with the same food that we were feeding the seedlings. Now this one here, I will be taking this one here off. You can see the bloom came off. Now this is going to form a seed pod if I don't take it off. And if you don't take your seed pods off, your plants will actually stop blooming. The purpose of annuals is to come up, flower, set their seeds, and if they're successful with it, then they'll actually stop blooming, and most of the time they'll die. So one of the ways you can keep your annuals going is to keep deadheading them. And that's what we did when I took that piece off that I took off. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.